In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Arabic in Canva. Let's start right inside your design. Open the project you're working on, then click to select the text box where you want your Arabic to appear. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles or highlight around it. This part matters because any change you make next will only apply to the selected text box. Next, head to the font menu at the top of the editor. Open the font list and in the search bar, type the word Arabic. Canva will show you font options that are designed to work correctly with Arabic script. Choose a font you like from this list. This step is essential because Arabic uses contextual letter shapes and ligatures, and not every font is built to display those properly. Picking a font from the Arabic results helps ensure the letters connect correctly, the direction flows naturally, and your text looks clean and readable. With the font selected, you're ready to add your content. Enter the Arabic text you want directly into the text box, or paste it from another document. If you paste, give it a quick look to make sure the letters connect as expected and the words appear in the right order. If anything looks disconnected or characters appear as boxes, simply switch to another font from the Arabic list until the text renders properly. That's usually all it takes to fix display issues. You can format your text just like any other type in Canva. Adjust the size so it fits your layout and choose a color that works with your design. If a line feels a bit tight or too loose, a small tweak to spacing can improve readability. Also, keep an eye on line breaks. Arabic words can wrap differently than Latin text, so a slight resize of the text box can give you a cleaner result. When you're done, review your design at actual size to confirm everything looks crisp. If you decide to try a different style, you can return to the font menu, search Arabic again, and switch fonts without losing your text. And that's it. Open your project, select the text box, search Arabic in the font menu, choose a compatible font, and then type or paste your Arabic text. Follow these steps, and you'll get smooth, properly connected Arabic lettering in Canva with minimal effort.